Hey everyone, it's STEAM Saturday and I'm Karla from the Medicine Hat Public Library. And STEAM Saturday is a day where we take a look at the concept of STEAM, which is science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics. And we do a fun experiment, activity, or craft around the concepts. So today we are doing a germ simulation using water, soap, and pepper. All you need for this is a bowl or a plate filled with water, some soap. I'm using dish soap. You could use hand soap for this as well. And then just some pepper, and I have like fresh ground pepper here, but you can use any pepper that you have at home. And there's a couple different things we're going to look at when we're doing this experiment. And the first thing is we are going to put our pepper into our water. So we're going to do a little bit of pepper in our plate, and I'm also going to put some in the bowl over here. And you'll notice when you do this that the pepper floats on the water. And now my pepper, since it is a little bit more coarse because it's freshly ground, some of the heavier ones sink down, but a lot of the pepper flakes just float on top of the water. And that's because pepper is something that we call hydrophobic, meaning that the water is not attracted to it. Because of that, the pepper can't dissolve in the water. Water molecules like to stick together, and they line up in a certain way that gives the top of the water a surface tension. And because the pepper flakes are so light and hydrophobic, the surface tension keeps them floating on the top. So if you were to do this with, say, using salt instead, you might see a different reaction between the salt and water than you do with the pepper and water. And then now we're going to take a look at this when we add soap. So if you think of all these little pepper flakes as germs, and we can get germs on our hands when we touch things, and then we often, have to wash our hands to get them clean afterwards. But a lot of germs are so teeny tiny small that you can't see them on your hands. So we're going to pretend that this pepper is germs and see what happens when we add soap to it. So all you're going to do is on your finger, just put a little teeny tiny bit of soap. And, oh, you can see I dropped a little bit of soap in the water there. Did you see what happened? Okay, let's put our finger in there. As you can see, the pepper flakes move away from the soap. So why does it do that? It does that because soap is able to break down the surface tension of water. It's part of what makes soap good for cleaning. As the soap moves into the water and the surface tension changes, the pepper no longer floats on top, but the water molecules still want to keep the surface tension going. So they pull back away from the soap and carry the pepper along with it. So let's see if I have a little bit of soap left on my finger over here. See, and it moves all that pepper away from where the soap is. So let's just move this one a little bit, and let's take a look at the bowl. Let's try it again with a fresh finger full of soap here. Ready? You see it just shoots all that pepper to the sides of the bowl. And you can go around wherever there's a big chunk of pepper, put your soapy finger and watch those pepper flakes or germs float away and off. So that's a really quick little experiment about germs and hydrophobic substances such as pepper. If you do this experiment, leave us a comment and let us know. We love to hear when you guys complete these little activities after you watch the videos. If you take a picture or video, you can tag us at MHPublicLibrary. And if you want to find more STEAM videos or story times, crafts, all sorts of videos, go check out our YouTube page at MHPublicLibrary. Thanks for joining me today. Bye guys.